Alright friends, this is the next one up on our animal care day, animal salon day. This is our Great Pyrenees, Fox Mulder. This is Squeaker's dog. She named him Fox Mulder. Some of you probably know what that's a reference to. Today we are going to just give him a good brush because Great Pyrenees blow their coat once a year. He also has a little bit of matting back here that we're probably going to trim, and of course we're going to give him a nice bath. So you may see an occasional chicken walking around too while we're at it. So alright, let's get started. I'm also going to give him a nail trim. These are the kind of clippers that I like. If you guys can see those. They have the opening at the top. I don't like the ones that are a complete circle. That's just my preference. So, a couple of notes about Great Pyrenees. They're a breed that has a double dew claw. That's those extra kind of thumb looking nails. He's got two on the back, and I've wet his feet so I can see through the hair. The hair is immense. We got Fox a little bit later in his life, and he had never had a bath before we got him, so he's not a big fan of the water. You'll see Addie next, his sister. She handles the water much better than he does, but we gave her a bath when she was very young, so she handles it better. Now back to trying to find his nails so I can clip them. I was trying to grab him and you. Good job, Daddy. Good job. Good job. Thanks, Daddy. We should have put you in a bathing suit. It's so cold. Can you at least make it warmer? Daddy wants us to make it warmer. So as you can see, Fox does not like water. I think Squeaker and Daddy got more wet than Fox did, but just kind of got to work with it. Hopefully he'll get more used to it as time goes on. So, okay, this is not Dawn. This is a trick. This is a little vet assistant trick. Take your dog shampoo, whatever kind you get, and put it in a bottle, a squirt bottle, with some water and water it down a little bit. It helps not waste it, and it makes it easier to rinse out. So just a little vet assistant trick there. And then we're going to use some mane and tail because they have so much hair. It's like walking a horse. We're still working on Fox Mulder. The battery died at some point, so I'm not sure how much of that you got to see. It's kind of comical. We're all soaking wet. The next one is, this is a dog shampoo that's made just for white dogs. It just brightens their coat a little bit. That's why it's purple. Alright, our next puppy dog is Adelaide. This is Fox Mulder's sister. We got her when she was just a young puppy, and she's a really good girl. This one's my puppy dog. Since we got her when she was much younger, she does a much better job with nail trims and the hose. So literally this is going to be wash, rinse, repeat for the second dog.
Good.
All right, 2 down, 1 to go. This is the last one. This is Malibu. He is 7? Yeah, he's 7. And we've had him since he was an itty bitty little puppy. Actually, we picked him up on Craigslist. If you follow us on Instagram, you've probably seen a couple pictures of him already. He's our best dog. He's our old man, so we've had him the longest, and he has the most training out of all of our dogs. So theoretically, this last one should be a walk in the park. We've been trimming his nails since he was a puppy. We've been looking in his ears since he was a puppy. We've been checking his teeth since he was a puppy. So those are all good things to do to get your puppy used to going to the vet, to have them, you know, do a checkup. They will, you know, they'll touch their feet, see he's okay with that. They'll look in their eyes. So we've been doing that to all of our dogs. Whenever we get them, that's sort of the first thing we do, is we just spend a lot of time checking ears and teeth and eyes and nose and mouth and toes, because you should be able to handle your dog in that kind of way. All right.
This is my dog.
Yes.
The other ones are their dogs. This one is my dog.
Yes, we each have our own because we're spoiled that way. And when we have the farm, they'll all have lots of room to play. Malibu was our only dog for a really long time because we didn't have 100 acres, and now we do. So that's why we were able to get the other 2 dogs. But if we still lived in our old house, we'd still only just have Malibu because that's what we had space for. So, you know, you grow. All right. Sit. Well, that's 3 dogs done and 1 shaved cat. So that took us about, what do you think, 3 hours?
Almost.
About 3 hours. We only do this once or twice a year, usually when they're blowing their coats, and in between we just do a lot of brushing just to keep their coats nice. Please, please, if you have a Great Pyrenees, do not shave them in the summer. It's so not good for their coat. It's not good for their skin. They have fur for a reason. Shaving it is not a good idea. Just brush them, give them a bath if they get a little messy, if they're blowing their coat. That's really all it needs. We live in Virginia. It's very hot here, and these dogs do just fine without being shaven. They just need deep shade or a nice cover where they can get out of the sun, and lots of clean, fresh water, of course. So, well, that's it for today. We hope you enjoyed watching us wash all these animals and meeting all of our furry critters, most of our furry critters. There's a few more around here. But now it's time for us three to go take a bath and a shower, so us three humans. So we'll see you next time.